Mga English phrases na pwede natin gamitin sa bangko. Common English phrases to use at the bank. I'd like to open a savings account. I'd like to open a savings account. Gusto ko pong mag-open ng savings account. How much is the minimum deposit? How much is the minimum deposit? Magkano ang minimum deposit? Is there a minimum balance? How much is it? Is there a minimum balance? How much is it? May maintaining balance ba? Magkano po? What do I need to bring? What do I need to bring? Anong kailangan kong dalhin or ano-ano pong requirements ang kailangan? I also want an ATM card. I also want an ATM card. Gusto ko rin ng ATM card. How do I set up online banking? How do I set up online banking? Paano ako makakapag-online banking? How do I reset my password? How do I reset my password? Paano ko i-reset ang password ko? Can I get account alerts on my phone? Can I get account alerts on my phone? Pwede ba akong makatanggap ng text sa phone ko? How do I get a passbook? How do I get a passbook? Paano po ako magkakaroon ng passbook? I'd like to update my passbook. I'd like to update my passbook. Magpapa-update po ako ng passbook. I lost my debit card. I lost my debit card. Nawala ko po ang debit card ko. How do I get a new debit card? How do I get a new debit card? Paano po mag-apply ng bagong debit card? How do I set up my PIN? How do I set up my PIN? Paano ko po i-activate ang PIN ko? I forgot my PIN. I forgot my PIN. Nakalimutan ko ang PIN ko. How can I change my PIN? How can I change my PIN? Paano po magpalit ng PIN? I just want to check my account balance. I just want to check my account balance. Gusto ko lang mag-inquire kung magkano pa ang laman ng account ko. I'd like a copy of my bank statement. I'd like a copy of my bank statement. Gusto ko pong humingi ng bank statement. I want to transfer money to another account. I want to transfer money to another account. Gusto kong magpadala ng pera sa ibang account. Can I make an international transfer? Can I make an international transfer? Pwede ba akong magpadala ng pera sa abroad? Can I get money from PayPal? Can I get money from PayPal? Pwede ba akong makatanggap ng padala galing sa PayPal? I'd like to cash this check. I'd like to cash this check. Gusto kong i-encash ang checking to. How long does it take for a check to clear? How long does it take for a check to clear? Gaano katagal bago ma-clear ang cheque? Can I deposit a check from another bank? Can I deposit a check from another bank? Pwede ba akong magdeposito ng cheque ng ibang bangko? What's the fee for a bounced check? What's the fee for a bounced check? Magkano po ang bayad sa checking tumalbog? Is there a daily withdrawal limit? Is there a daily withdrawal limit? May limit ba sa pagwi-withdraw? The ATM is down. The ATM is down. Hindi gumagana ang ATM. My ATM card isn't working. My ATM card isn't working. Ayaw gumana ng ATM card ko. The ATM ate my card. The ATM ate my card. Kinain ng ATM ang card ko. I'd like to apply for a credit card. I'd like to apply for a credit card. Gusto kong mag-apply ng credit card. Can I get a credit limit increase? Can I get a credit limit increase? Pwede ko bang pataasin ang credit limit ko? What's the interest rate? What's the interest rate? Magkano ang interes? I'd like to change my billing address. I'd like to change my billing address. Gusto kong baguhin ang billing address ko. I'd like to close my account. I'd like to close my account. Gusto ko nang isara ang account ko. Can I speak with your bank manager? Can I speak with your bank manager? Pwede ko bang makausap ang bank manager nyo?